Hi guys, today's Thursday and it's raining, so please bear with me. Anyway, hey guys, it's Yam and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you can see from the title down below, I will be trying to do an Instagram freckle filter makeup look. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell beside it so you will be notified on my next video. Without further ado, let's get started.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
So I'm just gonna quickly do my skincare first. Guys, surot na siya. Okay, pause because my tomato serum is already empty. Oh, it's baliktad. I just want to take this moment to thank my friend Mary Louie Cadalso. Thank you for your video suggestion. And guys, if there's anything that you wanted me to do, like review or haul or unboxing videos, please don't hesitate to comment down below. For my makeup, I'm just gonna quickly do my brows using this Maybelline Define and Blend brow pencil in the shade Natural Brown.
Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told her fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Look, you know you the baddest in the game. Show you how to blow like Lil Wayne. Baby, I ain't hard to please. Girl, tell me what you need. Year-round Valentine. I'm just trying to get some time with you. Would you spend the night with me? Maybe spend your life with me. Check me if I'm trifling. Let me be your bestie. Body and car when we flexing. Baby, we can stand the test of time. And you ain't even got a second guess that. You mean the world to me. I travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.
For my freckles, I don't have any fine liner brush, but I'm just gonna make use of anything that I have here. And I will use this palette, Smashbox palette. This was given to me by Ate Abby Dumabok. Thank you for this. And I'm gonna use this small angled brush for my kilay to pick up the color. I'm just gonna use this darkest shade and I'm just gonna dot them everywhere. I'm just going to keep this natural and I'm going to press them on my skin. And I'm just going to use a warmer shade this time.
If I could tell you, I would. Honestly, no secrets between us. No, it's just honesty. Even if it hurts, even if it's just for today. I know
I've always wanted to have freckles, guys, pero don't have one. I mean, meron ako pero not so visible.
fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to be? What it be like to be yours? What it be like to be yours? One step is two steps too much. Rather be much better if we stayed in touch, you and me, but it was too late. I can't make you stay, but wait.
Pat them across your face
No, you're just here for good fun.
para mukhang natural.
Over before it's begun, but don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to be? What it be like to be yours? What it be like to be yours? Now I can only see you in my mind. You'll be gone in the morning, goodbye. But my one final wish is tonight.
For my lipstick, I'm gonna use this Sunny's Face in the shade Girl Crush.
Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to be? What it be like to be yours?
And I'm just gonna top it off with this Pen Shop lipstick in the shade Next Move.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away?
And that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my new makeup video this time. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below the video suggestions you want to see next on my channel, and of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell beside it so you will be notified on my next video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you around, guys. This has been Yamyam saying goodbye and see you next time. Bye!
At the end of my story, it's the only thing I figured out. Cause everything else in my life without you would be boring. And we'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. I don't wanna